Yes, Ila,
Yes, sir.
tell me.
Yeah. Um, Recently, you have taken the subject economics and consciousness, and
Yes,
I regularly listen to your lectures, Guruji, and so many people are listening the lectures. I am getting the email on divine consciousness email address from especially from European countries, France, some from UK, and these, and they are very much interested in the lectures with economics and consciousness, but have some questions. They have the questions. Just to start with the other questions, main question is what are the causes of this economic failure or recession since last decade and many more years? Economics is continuously it's getting failed, and so what are the major causes for that, sir?
see, this is the very vast subject. There
Yes.
are multiple causes, but I will tell you major two, three reasons for the economic failures. Major two, three reasons. First, I will tell you the financial sector. Financial sector contributed a tremendous role in 2000 economics meltdown. Very dangerous recession. It is like the economic depression, right? Like 1930s. See, the present financial sector creates the abstraction value of money. A certain type of abstraction is there in the economy, in the financial sector. Now, I have told earlier in my Facebook live show, the certain type of abstraction. Now, I am little elaborating, explaining it little fundamentally. When there are two groups in the economic sector, one is from the production side, those who are capable of giving gifts in the economy. Gifts, this is a technical term, don't take it in other way. This is a technical term in economics. When someone producing gift, so that means he knows, he has the capability, he has the potential to create something for the free market as a gift, but he has no capital, because to produce something, to create something, you need capital, but his lack of capital. And on the other side, there are some people who are sitting on the capital but no capability or potential to create or give any gifts to the free market. Then these two party comes together in the economic scenario, right? And a intermediate sector also come in between to introduce to one another. That is the banking system. Bank gives loan to the production sector, those who are producing things with a high rate of interest. And bank also take the capital from the capitalist businessman. Capitalist businessmen invest their money in the bank. The bank give them
Yes.
interest. But in every case, the rate of interest giving to the businessman by investor is lower, very, very lower than the rate of interest to the production by producers. So see, money. What is money? Money is a process of exchange in the free market. Free market. It is an innovative process of barter system, right? But what I am telling you, money has a specific but fixed concrete value. This has to be understood. Money has a concrete value. But when you are creating such kind of huge interest, so money loses its concrete value. Understand? In the economic sector, abstracted value of money created in the economics. Abstracted value of money created in the economy. So which is far more greater or larger than the concrete value of the money. Then what you will do? Because the production
Hmm.
and consumption,
Yes.
there are some balance. There
Yes.
is some balance.
Yes.
It is with as far as the parity theory.
Yes.
Money, when the Reserve
Yeah.
Bank is sending money to the free market, what
Yeah.
Reserve Bank take care? It must be in parity with the production. It
Yes.
must be in parity with the consumption of the citizen of a particular country. So
Yes.
parity systems
Yes.
fail when you create the abstraction in
Well.
the
Yeah.
economy,
Yeah.
abstracted value of money. And this abstraction create inflation in the market,
Yes.
huge inflation.
Yes. Yes.
It is very common sense, no?
Common. Yes. Yes. Yes.
Inflation.
Yeah.
But majority of people,
Yes.
90% of people
Yes.
are poor, are
Yes.
poor.
Yes. Certainly. Yeah.
They cannot keep pace with that abstraction value of the money.
Yes.
And I am telling you, this abstraction in the financial sector contributed a major role in 2007 economic collapse.
Oh. Yeah.
That has to be understood.
Right. Yes. Sir.
Then apart from the abstraction value of the money, there
Yes.
are housing bubble. You know, this is the economics term, housing bubble.
Mm-hmm.
Housing bubble.
Yes.
Bank starts giving
Yes.
when there is some abstraction value of the money. So
Yeah.
then what the banks do? All the
Yeah.
banks started giving housing loan
Yes.
to them
Yes.
who have invalid credit history.
Yes.
That is to be understood.
Yes.
Invalid credit history.
History.
You have no valid credit history, but you
Yes.
are giving loans to the housing loan
Yes.
to the buyers, to the buyers.
Yes.
And this is very dangerous, that housing loans. Very, very dangerous. Housing loan, abstraction value, of the
Yes.
money.
Yes.
You see, there are many countries, I don't want to take the name,
Yes.
of a particular
Yes.
country, but this is the common practice. This is the common practice in every economy,
Yes.
in every countries. This is the very common practice.
Yes.
And apart from that, I
Yes.
am telling you number three. Number
Yes.
one, financial sector. Number two, housing bubble. Number three, see, today today's economists
Huh.
are wearing the straight jacket of the political parties.
Yes.
Straight jacket
Yes.
of the political parties. So influence of the governments of a particular country are there on the economist.
Yes.
They are a very straight or indirect influence on the economist.
Yes.
Economist cannot break that influence, break free from that influence.
Yes. But I think
And
yes.
yes, tell me.
No, 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 no. Yeah, yeah. But I think so many aspects are there, and economics is a very detailed subject uh, to understand and to see this recession and this thing. But how can we apply the higher consciousness? How this it works in economic sectors that can help to revive this sinking economy?
Okay, I am telling you. So what you see? You see economics wearing the straight jacket
Yes,
of political influence.
yes,
Politics or politicians or governments are wearing the straight jacket of the ballot box,
yes,
public ballot box,
yes,
public referendum.
yes,
Understand it?
yes.
And peoples also,
Hmm.
public also wearing the straight jacket of religion.
Yes.
So this is a triangular
Yes. Yes.
system, triangular
Yes.
hierarchy. What you can say?
Yes.
So there are influence in some
Hmm.
countries, in many countries, in most of these countries, you will see there are some religious influence on
Yes.
the economics.
Yes.
Religious
Yes.
influence,
Yes.
directly
A lot.
and indirectly.
Indirectly. Yeah.
Religion playing
Yes.
the very pivotal role
Yes.
in settling the economics conclusions
Yes.
in many countries. Don't need to take name. Many countries, most of the countries are suffering from the influence of the religion.
Yes.
In developed and underdeveloped
Yes.
and developing. In there are three countries now: underdeveloped,
Yes.
developed, and developing. Third
Yes.
world, second world, and the superpower. Everywhere you will see
Yes.
the influence of the religion are there.
Yes.
First, you have to work from that dimension, from that three dimension.
Yes.
Any kind of straitjacket should be removed
Yes.
right now.
Yes.
But it is not easy thing. It is not easy thing.
Yes.
A comprehended approach should be taken.
Yes.
And what is the comprehended approach? For that,
Yes.
I am telling you the consciousness, economics of consciousness, economics
Yes.
of higher consciousness. This is the ultimate elixir,
Yes.
final elixir of economics, but to economics. That is to be understood.
Yeah.
First, a comprehended, a awareness,
Yes.
a well established awareness should come
At the individual
among the
level.
citizens of this globe,
Yes.
among the
Yes.
citizen of this globe.
Yes. Yes.
Awareness of higher consciousness.
Yes.
See, there are so many good things in capitalist economy. Take all the good points of capitalist economy
Yes.
and remove that feudal structure which are hidden in the
Yes.
economic equation. Remove that feudal systems from the capitalist economy. Take all the good points of the capitalist economy. Then introduce higher consciousness
Yes.
in schools, colleges, universities, and especially in IITs, in all the IITs
Yes.
and business
Management
management
schools.
schools, business management schools,
Management. Yes.
schools. Then the new generation will come with a new ideology,
Yes.
new
Okay.
thinking pattern.
Yes.
Then slowly and gradually the shift will be there from the uh, past. The economic will start shifting its base to the present economics of consciousness. A total paradigm shift will be possible if you
Yes.
introduce higher consciousness at least at the academic level.
Yes.
Then new economists will arrive, will step in the economics.
Yeah.
See, I am telling you, I am telling all the uh, universities, I am applying and I am appealing to Harvard schools of economics, to to the Oxford School of Economics,
Yes.
right? I am appealing them, and I will start writing letter. Personally, I will start writing letter to Harvard Schools of Economics, Stanford School of Economics, London School of Economics. Personally, I have started writing letter to them that when you are
Yes.
equating, mathematically you are deducing some economic strategy, how you can apply the other side of human emotions.
Yes.
Still today, for
Yes.
last 300 years,
Yes.
since the Adam Smith
Yes.
capitalist economy, what you are
Yes.
doing? You are only applying the physicalities,
Yes.
physical need.
Yes.
You are only introducing the physical need of the people of the globe.
No.
But
Yes.
I have already told you, I have already told in my
Mhm.
life that
Mm.
apart from the physical need,
Yes.
there are
Correct.
other dimensions.
Yes.
We have another fourth dimension
Yes.
of
Yes.
mental body,
Yes.
of karmic body, of
Yes.
energy body, of the
Yes.
body of consciousness,
Yes.
of the body of emotion. There
Yes.
are four another dimension,
Yes.
but that four another dimension is totally discarded
Neglected. Yes. Neglected.
in the
Yes.
economics. That
Yes.
is why there is some resentment all over the globe, because we don't know, because
Yes.
we are totally ignorant of that four dimension of
Diamond.
human existence.
Yes.
When you are calculating or equating some differentiation in the economic equation,
Yes.
so your mathematics cannot cannot introduce the human sentiments, human values in the
Yes.
economics equation.
Yes.
That's why I am telling you the higher consciousness, the transcendental consciousness, at least the junction point. Transcendental consciousness
Huh.
means the junction point between the lower
Yes.
grade and the higher grade. There are some
Yes.
junction point. That
Yes.
junction point is the transcendental consciousness. At
Yes.
least you just start teaching the students and the economists and the politicians
Yes.
about the frontier of transcendental consciousness, about the perspective and possibilities of transcendental consciousness. First, world leaders, second, economist, and third, academic student.
Yes.
At least in these three platforms, you just introduce first. If the world leaders take the higher consciousness, transcendental consciousness, then
Yes.
economists will take.
Yeah.
They are the world leader,
Yes. Yes.
politician, economist, or the
Yes.
management students.
Yes.
management stalwarts, they are all leaders. So first, all the leaders of all the categories, they should incorporate
Yes.
in their private, personal life and in their working life. They should incorporate the higher
Yeah.
consciousness. Then very fast, very gradually, slowly and gradually, with a lightning speed, a change will start coming in our economic sector.
Yeah.
That is why I am telling you repeatedly, relentlessly, learn
Yes.
higher consciousness. Yes.
Yeah. But so personally, what would be your contribution to bringing the change to uplift the economy and
See,
to
personally,
also, yes,
as a human being, as a citizen
yes,
of the globe, what I do believe, what I do
yes,
think,
yes,
I am the citizen of the globe.
yes,
I am the citizen of the globe. I am not.
yeah,
Uh, I
individually,
don't believe any kind of
yes,
boundary. I don't
yes,
believe in any kind of demarcation.
right,
I
right,
believe that I am the citizen of this globe, and
yes,
as a citizen of this globe, as a
yes,
people of this
yes,
planet,
yes,
I have some duty.
yes,
That's why I am writing letter to all the business schools
yes,
forefront.
yes,
Business schools. I am writing letters to the world leaders personally. I am talking to the economists. There are so many economists.
yes,
They are talking to me. They
yes,
are personally, they
yes,
are in
that's
touch with me
reason, yes,
personally on the personal ground.
yes,
I am telling you, they are getting in touch with me
yes,
in personal ground.
yes,
Many world renowned economists are there who knows me, who know me very well, and they try to exchange their ideas via email, via
mm,
email,
mm,
and sometimes by call.
yeah,
So I am contributing. Now, the sooner that lockdown, but that pandemic
yes,
ends, I will start um, workshop, physically. But before that, very soon I am going to start online workshop.
yes, yes,
How you can transcend
yes,
your mind
yes,
to the higher dimension, to the
yes,
junction point
yes,
of transcendental consciousness.
yes,
I teach them the method, the technicalities
yes,
for transcending.
yes,
That is in our in-house online seminar. For
correct,
it,
yes,
everybody has to fill up the form,
registration, yes,
registered on the
yes, yes,
online,
yes,
and very soon, I think within 1 month, I am going in-house online courses
yes,
for every section, for every
yes,
categories of people,
yes,
and for that registration is required. But very
yes,
easy method, very easy
yes,
way. There is no
yes,
such complication.
yes,
So personally, I am going to contribute my role.
yes, yes,
First, I
yes,
am trying to bring the awareness. Then
yes.
second step,
Yes,
my
awareness
online
is
course.
important. Yes, the first thing
Online.
we need, yes, awareness about the higher consciousness and its application will help the people to understand
Yes,
the,
yes,
yes,
yes.
yeah,
If I am
yes,
today
yes,
enlightening you with
yes,
the transcendental consciousness, if I am teaching you the method, the technically, it
yes,
is the way
yes,
of transcending to higher consciousness, to break free from
yes,
the regular animal consciousness,
yes,
then you yourself will start teaching your community.
surrounding, yeah, people,
So it is
yes,
it is very contagious. It is very contagious thing. It is very positive contagious.
Yes.
If you are enlightened, then you will start enlightening your community.
Other
Then
people.
your community will start enlightening the other community. So
Yes.
with a very lightning speed, it will spread all across this globe.
Yes.
And the
Yes.
people,
Very
the citizens are ready for it. Everybody are
Want-
very, everybody are very waiting. They are waiting
Yes.
for a change.
Yes.
They are
yes,
very
yes.
eager to bring
Yeah.
a change
Yeah. Yes.
in the economic scenario, because economics is the backbone of a country.
Country.
Without
Yes.
it, everything will be collapsed. Without it,
Yes. Yes.
so everybody is very eagerly and very passionately waiting for a all around change in the economic scenario. So
Yes.
the moment I will start online registration,
Yes.
there will be a flow.
There is,
There
yes,
will be a flow.
there are, yeah, because I'm getting the email, people are very much keen to know more about the consciousness, transcendental consciousness, higher consciousness, and how to get access to this and how we can apply for this. So, yes, gradually, just I also appeal them to listen
What I'm telling you,
your Facebook live regularly. I also appeal them to go through the book. This is the book, The Face Off, which is written by you, is the first step to
yes, yes, I think
the
the book I have written about that
yes,
things, about that subjects,
yes,
everybody should read it. Those who are very,
yes.
those who
Keen to know, yes,
want to
yes,
bring a
yes,
change,
change,
want to bring a change in their personal life.
yes,
First, you have to bring the change in your personal life.
individual,
Then
yes,
automatically the global life will be on the right track.
right,
So everybody
right,
should read this book.
yes,
And those who are watching me,
yes,
minimum 1,000 people are watching me after that
yes,
live show ends.
yes,
In the tomorrow morning, you will see thousands people have watched my
yes,
conversation. So
yes,
I would like to appeal them, please spread what you have learned from that live show. You just
yes,
start spreading it to your community,
yes,
because
yes,
you need to spread it.
yes,
You need
yes,
to find hand.
yes. So,
We-
yeah, that is very important that people join hands to this mission that to bring the awareness, to spread the higher consciousness. It is not only limited to economic sector, but all the stratum of the life, all the
This is it.
sectors of the, yeah,
It is applicable to every sector. In the
everything.
medical,
So,
in the medical, this
yes,
is this is applicable. I am
yes,
teaching. I am telling all the doctors. There are so many doctors. They
yes,
are my friends also. I am
yes,
telling them
yes.
because
So not only
the frontier is very big. The frontier is
yeah,
very big. Yeah.
because it's a foundation, fundamental block of our creation. So that
Yes.
is the main point that in every sector, if we work from the level of higher consciousness, there will be peace, joy, happiness, and bliss. I think
Mm.
if the people
Yes.
get it, to
Yes.
know
Yes. Yes. Yes.
and take the serious note about that and try
Yes.
to join the hands, we can bring the awareness, we can bring the change, we can do
Yes.
that.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
First, we are taking step by step. First, we
Yes,
are going for a paradigm shift for
yes,
economics, from
yes,
the capitalist economy to the economics of consciousness.
yes,
This is the first. Then we will start a paradigm shift in
yes,
medical.
yes,
Medical. And one thing I am telling you, in USA, in the
yes,
developed country, in the
yes,
super developed country like
yes,
USA,
yes,
medical
yes,
fraternity contribute a major role in the economics, contribute the major role in the economics.
yes,
I think
Yes.
I am not telling you or giving you the exact data. 30% to 40% of US economy depends on the medical fraternity.
Yes.
But today's medical is in a very dangerous phase. Today's medical.
Yes.
You know, there are complaints all around
Yes. Yes.
about the medical.
In spite of all medical advancements
Health
and
insurance in
yes,
USA and developed countries are going up, swearing high. And the old people are suffering from that.
yes.
The old people in developed countries or underdeveloped countries are suffering from that. The huge expensive medical sector.
Yes.
So there are so many things we have to think,
We can do that.
but without understanding higher consciousness,
Yes.
you cannot bring any change.
Change. Yes.
For
So
last for last 300 years, all the countries, all the economists, all the leaders are applying many strategies to
yes.
bring a change in the medical or in the economics. Have you seen any remarkable shift? No.
Mm, yeah.
And that fluctuation, boom and bust of this business cycle. Why? Why there is no stabilization? That is the paramount question. Why
Yes.
there is
So
no.
yes. So we can slowly and gradually we can bring this awareness by our the talk that we listen to your talk, and uh, I appeal them those who are listening to register their name. We have the email address written right here, and even the contact number is also there. This number is WhatsApp number, so you can WhatsApp on this number your questions, and definitely, sir will be there to give the answer for that.
The email
And
ID is calling over there, the phone number is calling over there. You just start writing to
yes,
our email ID. You just start writing in our WhatsApp, send your
yes,
message in our whole
yes,
query in our WhatsApp or email ID. We are here every time to guide you, right?
yes.
God bless you, Ila.
Thank you
My
so
blessing
much,
always
sir.
with you.
Thank you very
And
much. I hope that they have some information, and we will keep continuing because this is a very vast subject. A few minutes of talk cannot give the
yes,
answer.
I want to add one thing,
Yes,
only one thing. The
yes,
subject may be very vast.
yes,
The subject may be very complicated.
yes,
Maybe. But when you just transcend yourself to the higher consciousness, everything is very spontaneous, everything becomes very easy, everything
yes,
start happening
by itself.
on its own ground.
Yes,
There is no complication. You will see the life is very fantabulous, the life is very miraculous.
yes,
Stress, strain, suffering, and effort are there in the lower level of consciousness.
conscious.
But when you are little up, one step up in the
Yes,
junction point of consciousness, that is the transcendental layer of consciousness,
yes,
everything becomes very easy. There is no effort. With
yes,
the least effort, you
yes,
can accumulate, you can achieve many things in your life,
yes,
and a stabilization will come in
yes,
every sector of life. That
yes,
is my research throughout
yes,
last 2 decades.
yes,
You know my research, particularly you
yes,
know my
yes.
research.
Yes,
I
I
isolated
am aware of
myself,
all. Yes, yes,
devoted my whole life
yes,
in
I know.
searching something
Yes,
big for our
yes,
mother earth, for
yes,
my planet. This
yes,
beautiful planet, this very beautiful planet.
yes,
Anna, we have the privilege to be here on this planet as a human being. So
yes,
you must contribute or save our mother planet.
yes,
from the urge of destruction. Right? Thank you, Ila. God bless you.
Thank you, sir. Pranam, sir.
Pranam, pranam, pranam.